Once upon a time, in a house painted sunshine yellow, lived a little boy named Alex. Alex had a mop of brown hair and a laugh that boomed like a happy train. He loved building things with his dad, like tall towers and cozy forts. But most of all, Alex dreamed of building his very own robot. One day, while sorting recycling with Dad, Alex spotted a blue rectangle box.
Look, Dad, that can be Robo's head.
What a great idea, Alex. What else can we use?
That blue square box can be the robot's body. And those can be the robot's arms.
Together, Alex and Dad built the whole robot. He looked perfect. They named him Robo. He showed Robo to his mom with a big grin.
Look, Mommy, Robo can pick up things.
He sure can. You built a helpful robot, Alex.
From that day on, Robo was Alex's best bud. They played pretend adventures, with Robo as his loyal sidekick. Alex learned that even with a little imagination and some recycled stuff, you could build something amazing. And the most important thing? Even a simple robot, built with love and creativity, could be the best friend a little kid could ever want.